Good morning, everybody. I'm out for my walk, obviously, doing it in the backyard today instead of on the road. Let's see, on the list for today, gonna do some chainsawing to get that tree out of there. I need to fix the lawnmower so that I can mow and get some of the long grass out of the way so that it's easier to install the mini split. I need to do some other general cleanup to install the mini split. Then my dad's gonna be coming over and we're gonna be actually installing the mini split. I don't know, that'll probably take most of the day. We probably still won't get it done. But we'll spend most of the day on that with him. And then, I don't know, we'll see, probably CAD and video editing. I'm behind on video editing, so probably mostly video editing. So that's the plan for today. In the meantime, let's take a walk. My walk is done, time to finish this up. I definitely need to work on my morning routines a little bit. It is now 10:15 and I'm just starting to get, well, I guess I got some work done in terms of cutting up the logs, but like besides that, I'm just getting to work now. Well, my alarm went off at 7:30, I got out of bed at 8. And then I guess it took about 2 hours to do my hour of exercise and eat breakfast and shower, yada, yada, yada. So I think I need to be a little more efficient about that in the future and maybe just get up earlier and get out of bed faster. Logs are all cut up now, which means I can give my dad his chainsaw back when he comes to install the mini split. But I need to get the lawnmower fixed and get some of this grass mowed so it's just easier to walk around and work on the mini split. I hit a root with the lawnmower the other day and the blade bounced and hit some sheet metal. I'm hoping it'll be a pretty easy fix, just, you know, percussive maintenance, but I'll see when I get out there. I have to say, I sometimes feel a little silly putting around on my lawnmower like it's a tractor, but maintaining this yard would be so much more difficult without this lawnmower in the cart. This was one of the best investments that I've made. I had to stop for half an hour and do some freelance design work that I do for a client, but the lawnmower should be ready to test. I've done everything except turn it on. I think I almost just killed my neighbor. He was on a horse and I was testing the lawnmower. Horse did not like that. So I turned it off, right away, and I don't know, he looked a little scared. So whoops, sorry neighbor. On another note, I did not get the lawnmower fixed either. It kind of works, but I can hear it rubbing the sheet metal, so needs a little more percussive maintenance. Hey everybody, I am exhausted. Me and my dad have been working on getting this mini split set up for like 8 hours now, in addition to the couple hours that I worked on it before he got here. It's not working yet, though we knew that it wouldn't be today. It was super hot outside. There was a relative not a relative humidity. There was a, what do they call it? A feels like temperature, a heat index of 105. And of course the shop then was 110. And I am beat. But let me show you what we got done here. So this is the indoor unit. This much here is pretty much 100% done, except some wires that need to be wired up to that terminal block. This part wasn't so bad. Coming out here, we have this unit in place. There's 6 inches of gravel, some big crushed limestone on the bottom, and then pea gravel on the top, and then 6 by 6 treated planks. So that's rather herky. We bolted it down with some big stainless steel lag bolts, and there is a rubber both on top and on bottom. So isolate that unit a little bit from, everything around it. Let me show you where the fun started. So, we got this here, we put the hole in the wall, we put the stuff sticking out of the hole. We went, all right, let's take the wire over and hook it up. Take the wire, take the wire, take the wire, take the wire. Wire stops right there. And we went, wait, there was supposed to be like 6 feet of slack. Why is it stopping there? The documentation on this unit sucks so badly. It's awful. The instruction booklet is basically useless. And even like the listing where I bought it was not particularly useful. It clearly says that the unit is charged to 25 feet of line, which I read is, oh, look, it has 25 feet of line. So when we laid it out with 25 feet of line. And we put it right here. And, you know, I dug down. This was like the worst ground ever because there's gravel driveway underneath this bed. And so all the plants in here, their roots could only go sideways. So the whole thing was just a mat of roots. And it took me a long time to dig that hole. But we measured it out for it to be 25 feet of line with some slack there. And that apparently was the true lifesaver, is planning on having that extra slack. Because, as it turns out, this unit, even though the fact that it is pre-charged to 25 feet, it actually only has a 16-foot line set. And so we ran that wire and we're like, this does not fit. What are we going to do? And we looked at it. We looked into buying a longer line set, which is like $200 and a several week wait. We thought about moving it, and we were fully prepared to move it. And we went, okay, let's put the lines in place and figure out where this unit needs to be, like for real, with no, you know, guessing or estimating, with, you know, what we actually know. And we realized that because we counted on a couple feet of slack, that if we run the lines diagonally across and go straight in there, it does fit. We just have to move the unit, like this unit, the outside unit, we have to move it like a foot to the right, which we can do, and then run the lines diagonally along the shop. And it just barely works with what we have. Crisis averted by sheer luck. But man, that was annoying. And did I mention I'm beat? I went straight from exercising this morning to getting ready for this. So I am just wiped. The heat and the humidity made it just unbearable out here. But we got it done at the end of the day. Well, sort of. We got it half done. My dad's going to come back on Friday to fix it, or to finish it. I definitely meant to get some like time lapses and stuff, but I didn't want to like slow down the process with my dad and for my dad by filming, and like just out of respect to his time. So I didn't. And let's see, the only thing I have left to do today, I'm done in the shop. The only thing I have left to do today is to edit videos and then do the cam on the carabiners. I'm most behind in editing video, so I'm just gonna end this here. This is gonna be a short vlog. Future editor AJ will thank me for that because it'll be a quick edit. And I'm gonna go edit those videos inside in my air conditioning with a cold glass of water, or 3. Thank you guys, I'll see you next time.